Hi everyone. Just wanted to add some more to my previous video about how to replace cricket spikes. What I've done is I've actually rinsed the shoe for a little while in water, and using my same screw that I've got here, it's quite sharp, and all I'm doing is literally just threading the screw through this. Let me try a different one. So you can see now that as I'm threading the screw in, it's actually digging out all the dirt from that hole where we're going to put the key. Here we go, it's coming out. It does get a bit hard because the mud has been there for a while, and you can see on the thread now. Oops, sorry, let me try zooming in. So can you see this dirt? So that's how you can actually take the dirt out of these little keyholes, and then using the key you can literally twist it and get the studs out. Alternatively, you can use two uh, maybe scissors if you got some sharp scissors. Okay, best of luck, play well.